number has 3 groups of 10 in it and 2 ones. And then you guys are going to tell me what number it is, one at a time. You're going to put your hands up. We're not going to shout it out. And then the person who answers is going to come up to the 100s chart and put their cube on the number, so we don't repeat any numbers. Does that make sense, grade 1?
Yes.
Yeah? Okay. So, the first number has 1 group of, I shouldn't hear any cubes moving around. Shouldn't hear any cubes moving around. 1 group of 10 and 5 ones. What number is this? Lock it in your brain. Don't shout it out loud. Isabel.
15.
15. Do we agree with that, grade 1?
Yes.
All right, Isabel, I want you to come up to the hundreds chart and put your cube on the number 15. Take a good look. Beautiful. Good job, Isabel. My second number has 4 groups of 10 and 2 ones. What number is that? Lock it in your brain. Put up your hand. What number is that? Scarlett.
42.
42. Do we agree with that? Yes. Come on up, Scarlett. 42.
Let me see.
Beautiful. All right. My next number has 5 groups of 10 and 7 ones. What number is that? Lock it in your brain. Lock it in your brain. Rebecca. 57? Do we agree with that, grade 1?
No.
We don't? We do or we don't? Yes, very good. Come on up, Rebecca. 57. Beautiful. Thank you, my friend. All right. The next number has 0 groups of 10, and it has 8 ones. What number is that? Lock it in your brain. Lock it in your brain. Megan. 80? Try again, my friend. Look closer. 0 groups of 10 and 8 ones. Not 80. Maybe it would be easier if I just erase the 0. So there's nothing in the tens column and 8 ones. What's that? No, say it again. Say it out loud. Did you say 8? Yeah? Say it louder for everybody. 8. Do we agree with that, grade 1?
Yes.
Beautiful. Come on up, Megan. 8. 80 would look like this, Megan. It would be the opposite. So there would be 8 groups of 10 and 0 ones. Okay? Find the number 8 on the board. Beautiful. All right. My next number has 7 groups of 10 and 3 ones. What number would that be? Here's a. What number is that?
73.
73? Thumbs up or thumbs down?
Or kind of.
Is it 73? It is 73. Come on up, Tirza. Beautiful. All right, and my next number My next number is, I'm going to trick you guys on this one. I'm going to mix it up. You guys have a number line. Let's all look at the number line up top. Or you can look at the hundreds chart. This number is going to be 10 more than the number 77. 10 more than the number 77. How can we figure that one out? How can we figure that one out? 8? 80? Okay, so let's figure this out. Here, I'm going to get a pointer steady. We're going to look up at the, right here. So we're at 77. Let's count 10 more. Okay, so we're going to go 1, 2, you ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9.
Did we land on the number 88? What number did we land on?
87.
87. Very good. Abe, why don't you come on up and put your cube on the number 87. Yep. All right. My next number has one group of 10s and 2 1s.
1, 2.
1, 2. What number is that? Sebastian.
21.
21?
No, 12.
12. Good catch. Come on up, my friend. What? You volunteered for this one, so this is your turn. What is the number 12? No, you can do it. You answered this one.
Oh. Yeah. What's that?
That's 21. But it's 12. Yeah, good job.
I have the lowest.
Now, I'm going to trick you guys again. We're going to count backwards. Do you think we can count backwards?
Yeah.
Let's give it a try.
I can.
This number is going to be 5 less than 46. 46, so 5 less. So what direction are we going to count in? This way or this way? Because we're counting backwards. Evan?
I know what the answer.
Well, pause. What direction am I going to count in? This way or this way? That's right, backwards. So why don't we count it out? So 46, 5 less. So we're going to count to 5 backwards. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Evan, what is the answer, my friend? 41. Very good. Come on up and put your cube on the number. 40. Everybody's going to get a turn. Remember, Jordan? Everybody has a cube. All right. This number is going to be, I'm going to make this one really tricky. 12 more than the number 23. 12 more. So what direction are we going to count in? Forwards or backwards if it's more? Willow? Forwards. We're going to count forwards. What number did I say? 23? All right, 12 more. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 35.
Put your hands up. Lock it in your brain. What number did we land on? Sam, what number did we land on? 35. Beautiful. Come on up, Sam, with your little cube and put it on the number 35. Come on up, my friend. Can you find the number 35 on the hundreds chart?
Yeah.
Which one is it? Not that one. Let's look in the 30s. Which one is number 35? Beautiful. Thank you, my friend. Good job. All right. This number has 4 groups of 10 in it and 0 ones. 4 groups of 10 and 0 ones. Awesome. 40. Beautiful. Do you agree? Yes. Come on up, Dawson. It's not 4. 4 would have 0 in the 10s and 4 in the ones. Oh, is that the number 40? Thank you, my friend. All right, put up your hand if you have not put your counter down yet. Excuse me. Sorry. Sebastian, you did put your counter down.
I know, but
What's the issue? What's the issue, my friend? Oh, okay. That's not immediate right now. Just bring it back to the next one. Okay? All right. This number is going to be 6 more than 66. So if we're going more, what direction are we counting in? Backwards or forwards?
70.
What direction, Jordan Beakey?
This one.
This way? All right, let's do it.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What number, Jordan Beakey?
72.
Beautiful. Come on down. Place your counter on number 72. Awesome. All right, now this number has 0 groups of 10 and 2 ones in it. What number is that? 0 groups of 10 and 2 ones. Willow. Not 20. So 20 would be the opposite. It would be 2 groups of 10 and 0 groups of 1. So 20 would look like this, Willow.
2.
Yeah, 2. Come on up, my friend. Put your counter down on the number 2.
That's easy.
It is easy. But the reason I do this is because so far, the numbers that we've had the zeros and the tens column, we have got the numbers switched. We've got 80 or 20, so that's why we're still practicing that, even though it seems easy. Levi, what direction should you be sitting in right now, my friend? All right, I'm going to do a number that is 7 less than 44. So what direction are we going to count in grade 1s? This way or this way? Forwards or backwards, Rebecca? Yep. So 7 less than 44. You guys ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What number, Jordan F?
37.
37. Beautiful. Come on up and put your counter on the number. 37, Jordan. 37. Look in the 30s. Beautiful. Very good job. Now, who still hasn't placed their counter down on a number? Joshua, why are you turned around, my friend? There's nothing at the back of the class that you need to be looking at right now. I'll give you a second to put away whatever you have in your hand. Thank you, my friend. Okay, so Tirza, Levi, Bronwyn, you guys are the only ones who haven't put your counters down?
No, I put my counter.
Jordan B, you didn't put your counter? Okay, you're just stretching. Okay. This number, grade 1s, has 5 groups of 10 in it. And 4 ones. Jordan Beakey.
54.
54. Beautiful. Come on up and put your counter down. Oh, you already put your counter down? Okay, sounds good. Next number number? I want somebody to answer this who have not put their counter down. We're going to go all the way to 100, and we're going to count 13 less than 100. So what way are we going to count in? This way or this way?
This way.
Evan.
That way?
This
There's
way.
no more numbers.
Because there's no more numbers. We're not going past 100. Good observation. All right, ready?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
All right, somebody put their hand up who has not put their counter down yet. Who has not put their counter down yet? Evan, have you not put your counter down? All right, what number is it, my friend?
87.
87.
I did.
You did? All right, I wanted somebody who has not put their counter down. Levi. 87 is 13 less than 100. Come on up, my friend. Put your counter down on 87. Bronwyn, do you still have your cube?
Yeah.
Okay.
What's wrong when you do this?
Go ahead, Bronwyn. All right, Bronwyn. I'm going to do 16 less than 88. Are you ready?
Yes, I am.
What direction am I going to go in? This way or this way?
This way.
This way. 16 less. Ready?
1, 2, 3, 4.
Oh, wait. Hold on. We're all got to go together. 1, 2, 3.
4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Bronwyn, what is it?
72.
72. Nice. Put your counter down, my friend.
Already one on 87.
Oh, there is.
This less than Zinco.
Okay.
There's already one on 80. I don't want to go.
Put another counter down on it. That's all good.
Less than Zinco.
79. Let's do 7 more, Levi.
81.
Let's go 1, 2,
3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
What number are we on, Levi? 86.
What did you guys get to do 2?
Well, because his number is already taken up. So is Bronwyn, but it's all good. We're at the end now. So everybody has had a turn, right?
Now Weston. I don't want to turn.
Weston, you need a turn, my friend.
I'll do it for him.
Everyone gets a turn. You really don't want one?
I don't want to turn.
All right. So you're going to phone a friend? Phone Sebastian?
No.
All right. Let's do 20 more than the number 20. Ready, guys?
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20.
What's the number, Sebastian?
Right beside, whose is this? It's the
I
right
don't
beside
know.
their cheddars.
Beautiful. Alrighty, guys. So I want you to open your math books now. Everybody should have their book open to page 200. Sorry, I didn't tell you the page numbers ahead of time. My bad. Your page.
2. She said it's 2, guys. Everyone go back.
205 to 206. 205 to 206. So there's going to be a lot of counting. So we're going to be counting forwards. We are going to be counting backwards. And so on. All right. The instructions say this. Use the number line. Okay, so there's a number line. Here's a go back to page 205. That's okay.
Where is the
205.
Is this the hardest page?
It has a number line on the top. It says it's 7. 8.
Yeah. 7 point.
I can't answer right now. Wait until the lesson's over and I'll help you. 205. Okay, so there's a number line at the top of the page. Number 1. The instructions say start at 27. So I want everybody to put their finger on the number 27 on the number line.
I'll keep 27.
And then it says jump forward 3. Jump forward 3 from the number 27. Lock it in your brain. Jordan F., what's the answer?
30.
30. So it says land on blank. You are going to write the number 30.
Where?
In the blank. For number 1. It says start at 27. Jump forward 3. Land on 30.
Blank.
Okay? You're going to do the same for numbers 2 and 3. So can you guys read the words forward and back?
No.
Okay, so forward is the one that starts with an F. So it's F-O-R-W-A-R-D. Do you see that?
No.
Okay. So for number 1, it said start at 27, jump forward. So forward means more. Okay. And then if you jump down to number 3, it says start at 31, jump back. It starts with a B. B-A-C-K. So these questions are going to tell you to go back or forward. Okay, so back is less, forward is more. Do we understand that, grade 1? Yeah? Okay. So I'm going to let you guys do number 2 and 3 by yourselves. And then it says, again, use the number line, circle the correct word, fill in the blank. So it says, start at 27, jump. You're either going to circle back or forward 3 spaces to a larger number. Land on blank. So if you are going to jump to a larger number than the number 28, will you be going back or forward? Abe, turn around please. Forward. That's right. So if you are going to a larger number, you will be going forward. If you are going to a smaller number, would you be circling back or forward?
Forward.
A smaller number. Back. That's right. Okay, so I'll let you do 4 and 5. Or actually, let's do 4 together. So start at 27. So put your finger on 28. Put your finger on 28 on the number line. Jump either back or forward 3 spaces to a larger number. So would we be circling back in green or forward in orange? If we want a larger number.
30.
Abe, turn around. Last warning or your name goes up. What was that, Jordan?
30.
So if we move to a larger number, are we going back or forward?
Forward.
Forward. So you will be circling forward. It's in the orange writing.
But I read the answer.
What's the answer? From 28, 3 spaces.
30.
Is it 30? Count again, Jordan. Put your finger on 28. And
1, 2, 3.
1, 2, 3. So we jump. So we go from 28. 1, 2, 3.
31.
31, yes, because you're not counting 28. You don't go 1, 2, 3. You start at 28, and then you go 1, 2, 3. Each hop, every time you hop to another number, that's when you go 1, 2, 3. Okay? And then I'll let you do number 5 on your own.
I'm going to do this page.
Yep, we're going to get there. Then on the bottom, you have a number line that only has the number 30, 34, and 39. But each tick is a number. It's one more, one space more. Yeah?
I don't get for like 4.
So number 4, it says start at 28, which you did. Jump forward 3 spaces to land on a larger number. So you said forward, which is right, so you're going to circle the word in orange writing. You're going to circle the word forward right here. And then we landed on what number?
31.
31. So it says land on number 31 in that blank. And then you're going to do the same thing for number 5, but it's obviously going to be a different answer. Okay, so now on the bottom here, write the number. So it's the number line at the bottom, not the top number line, the bottom one with the animals on it. It starts at 30. And then each line on the number line is moving up by 1. But we only see the numbers 30, 34, and 39. So you have to figure out which number each animal has landed on. So let's do the jellyfish, the purple jellyfish. We need to figure out what number the purple jellyfish is on. So let's start at 30 and count together. Okay, grade 1? Everyone following along. So 30. 31, 32, 33, 34, 35. Are we at the purple jellyfish? 35. That's right, Jordan Beaky. So right beside the purple jellyfish, you are going to write the number 35. Yeah. Yes, but I'm not doing every single question with you. I show you how to do it with one. We do one together, and then you have to do the other one by yourself. Okay, let's do the starfish, that brownish red starfish. Let's start at 30 on the number line. So 30, 31. Are we already on the starfish?
Yeah.
Yeah. So Isabel, what number is the starfish on? 31. So right beside the starfish, you are going to write the number 31. Do you guys understand that okay?
Yes.
Okay. So I'll let you guys figure out the other fish and the octopus by yourself. Flip the page.
Yeah, we know how to do this.
And then you guys know how to do connect the dots? All right.
I don't know how to do connect the dots.
So connect the dots. It says count on. Start at 50. So the smallest number for number 12 is going to be 50. So you're going to take your pencil. You're going to start on the number 50, which is right at the top. Okay? It's connected to the dot that says end. And then you are going to count on all the way to the end, which is, it says end, but there's 65 of them. It's a seal, yes. And then you are going to count back for number 13. So you're going to start at the biggest number, which is 50 for number 13 is the biggest number. And then you're going to count backwards all the way to the end. And then you're going to do a little subtraction review at the bottom. Okay, so that's takeaway. At the bottom of page 206, takeaway. Okay, so let's get started. Go back to page 205. I will cruise around and try to help you as best as I can, okay?